Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to log into the members area. You can get there in two super easy ways. Number one is you can go to the smartchiropractor.com and up at the top, you will see where it says member login. You can click there and that's going to bring you right over to where you can log in. You will also notice the second way, which is up in that URL. You can always visit members.thesmartchiropractor.com. You can see it right up there. I'm highlighting it. Members.thesmartchiropractor.com. I would recommend saving that URL to the desktop, tablet, or phone that you use most often because you're going to be using that address a lot to dive into the members area. Once you're on the page, you will see here, you just enter in your information, your email, and your password, and you will be able to log in. I also recommend saving that information and however you save your passwords to make it super easy, as I have done here, to be able to just visit the page, click login, and get going. Now, if you forget your password, there's a button underneath that says recover password. Click there and that'll be able to recover your password. And if you forget your password, this will give you a couple tries before you are kind of forced into updating that password. So you get a couple opportunities before it'll kind of lock the account. That's for safety and security. But if you ever forget your password, you can click on recover password. And again, to get to the members area, you can always visit thesmartchiropractor.com, click up at the top for the members area login, or my preference and my suggestion is save the URL members.thesmartchiropractor.com. That is what you see up right in that taskbar right there. Save that to the desktop, laptop, or tablet at your front desk for easy access. If you have any questions whatsoever, you please feel free to reach out to us at support@thesmartchiropractor.com for any follow-ups. Other than that, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.